morning, guys. So I just wanted to try out the rawbeautykristi palette that I just got in the mail, and I wanted to give you some first impressions on my thoughts on the neutral side, and also just wanted to do some makeup with you guys today. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I am super excited because yesterday I got in the mail something that I'm very happy about. I got this in the mail, and if you don't know what this is, I waited the other day for 14 hours, and I say waited very loosely. I went online and I waited about 4 hours, and then I got put into a line, a virtual line of people to purchase the rawbeautykristi times Pure palette. So here it is. You guys, I'm sure have all seen it. So because of the craziness that happened, I get this 25% off coupon, and then they gave anyone who ordered it the Pure primer, and then looks like it's an eyeliner, and yeah, it's a brown eyeliner. So never have enough brown eyeliners, right? No, but seriously, I am grateful for those things. I do want to try the Pure the foundation that Kristi raves about, but I just have so many foundations that I don't want to spend money on another foundation, and I don't know. So this is what the box looks like. So she wrote a little thing on the back of this. When it comes to amplifying your raw beauty, there are no rules. Get creative with your own unique aesthetic with this limited edition 18-piece pressed pigment palette created in collaboration with rawbeautykristi. This palette features Can't Live Without shades ranging from cool and warm, everyday neutrals to bold, inspiring colors that are uniquely formulated to deliver unrivaled color payoff with highly blendable textures. And then for the application, it says, using a brush not included, pack the pigment onto the skin, build and blend until you achieve a desired look. So I plan on using this in 3 separate looks with you all. I'm gonna do a colorful look, which is like this. And then I'm going to do a neutral look, which is like this. And then I'm gonna do both. So this is what the palette, front of the palette looks like. Kristi actually drew all of these pictures. They relate to her life, and just things that she loves. And this is the neutral side, and the writing is in a rose gold. And then this is the colorful side, and that's in like a, I don't know, you can see it's like a multi-chrome kind of. So today I'm gonna do a neutral look, and the only reason why I'm doing a neutral look today is because I want to save the colorful look for tomorrow. And I have watched a few videos, and it looks like there's a lot of fallout. So what I'm gonna do is kind of switch it up a little bit, because I really don't want to get fallout on my face since I am getting ready for work. So I'm going to go ahead and do my face after. So I'm going to prime my eyes with my Anastasia. Again, I don't use very much at all, but I really want to give it the best chance that I could possibly give it. And ready to go. How's everybody doing today? I am up bright and early. All right, so first I'm going to use this yellow color. It's called Camelot. So I barely dipped my brush in. I know you can't see that, but there's quite a bit of fallout, which we already knew from the reviews that have already gone. That's a really pretty, vibrant yellow color. And I noticed that it's like packing down pretty well. And then I'm just gonna kind of do little circular motions and then pull that color up a little closer to the brow. And then next I'm gonna use, next I'm gonna use copper boxes. And I'm gonna go ahead and just run that a little bit lower. I'm gonna use a different brush. Smaller Luxie brush. That is a pretty color. There is a ton of kick up in the pan, which, I mean, again, like I said, we've known from the multiple videos that have been put out that they're definitely gonna have. Oh, and next I'm gonna use this color B right here. Just kind of further darken up that outer edge. And I'm gonna do in my review video, I am going to do, because in Kristi's video, she was kind of explaining how the shimmers in the palette are kind of universal. So I wanted to see what would happen when you layer the shimmers over the colors in the palette. So I am gonna do on my review video a whole swatch video and layering the shimmer over the swatches as well. Just to see, it's just a theory of mine. It could be a good theory, it could be a wrong theory, who knows. But I just want to see what happens. So I took B and I put it all over my lid. And I think I'm gonna take B also and kind of just crease just a little bit. So I'm gonna take Camelot and kind of reinforce those edges a little bit. Now I'm going to take the shade Golden Ticket right here. I'm going to put that on my lid, but not across the whole lid. I'm just going to put it in the inner portion, just right here. Wow, look at that. How shiny that is. It's so shiny that it's messing my camera up. Ooh, that's pretty. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and finish up the other eye, put on some makeup on my face, and I will be back. Okay, so I am going to finish off the looks. So I went into You're Not My Real Dad on the outer corner here, just to deepen up that outer corner. And I'm going to go into Camelot again for under the lashes with this tiny little brush. I'm gonna do that on both sides. And then I'm going to go into Golden Ticket for the inner corner. And I'm going to wrap it underneath a little bit. So first impression, I like the side of the palette that is neutral. I like it a lot. This look is beautiful. See, for the rest of my face, I used my Lunatic Labs contour book. I used my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I used my Tone Adjusting Face Primer. For brows, I used my e.l.f. Brow Pencil and my e.l.f. Brow, what is this, tint? And then for lashes, I'm going to use my Thrive Cosmetics. Ooh, I forgot to put on. I'm going to use this e.l.f. brown gel for my waterline. Sorry, let's try the bottom lashes again. Okay, so we just need something to put on my lips. What do I want to put on my lips? first thing that's here, this e.l.f. stain. Just did a full face of e.l.f. products yesterday, which should be uploaded today. Okay, so that is almost a finished look. I'm going to use my Colored Rain highlighter in this. It looks white, but it's like, let's see, you see that gold shift. Alright, so put that right here. Ooh, that's pretty. Alright, now this is the finished look. So thank you so much for being with me today. Do me a favor and like this video down below, comment if you could, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. For more makeup based content, you can follow me over on Instagram at brandywine13. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again tomorrow with Colorful Look. Thank you so much. Have a great day.